Hello, everyone, and welcome to Victor's Analytics Hub. Hope you're having a great day today. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove blanks and duplicates, whether it is in rows or cells in Microsoft Excel. So, as you can see on my worksheet now, I have different blank rows. If I'm to go down, you keep seeing more blank rows here. And for me to remove this, you can do this. There are many ways to do this. You can either select the row, hold Control, select the next row, select the next row, select the next row. And there's a problem with this method. It is time consuming and it is very stressful. And if you're as lazy as me, honestly, you will not even want to do this at all. Especially if you're working with a very big data set like this. So I'm going to show you a way you can delete these rules with ease. First, all you have to do now is to go to the Home tab, go all the way until you see the Find and Select. Then you go to Special. It is going to show you this, but I'm going to show you a shortcut that you're going to still use to come here. So all you have to do is just to click Ctrl G, and once you click it, you go to Special, and all you have to do is to click blanks. What this thing does, and wait, you click OK. What this thing does is that it selects the whole. If you have a blank row in your worksheet, it selects every single blank row. Wait, let me do that again. Do that again. It selects every single blank row. Ctrl G, Special, blanks. It selects every single blank rows in your worksheet, as you can see. And there's no way you can do this manual. Honestly, you can't do this manually. And if you want to delete them, still remain in that Home tab. Come to delete sheet rows. Hit it. And you can see every blank rows are gone. The blank rows are gone. And I'm going to show you another tip. I'm going to show you another tip. I want to show you how to just imagine you have blank cells in a column. So I'm going to, for the sake of this video, I'm going to delete some values here. I'm going to delete some values here. So let's imagine you have blank cells in a particular column, and you want to, replace those blank cells with a number or letter. You understand? So what you have to do now is just to, okay, by the way, if in case I did not tell you guys, the shortcut to select rows is shift and space. To select a column is control space. So once you have selected the column, you have the blank cells in, sorry. You have to go to that same control, click that same Control G, come to the special place again, hit the blanks again, and it selects the blank cells. And you can type into these cells in case if you don't want to leave it blank. So I'm just going to type. And all you have to do is just to hit Control N. In this next tip now, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates. I'm very sure that there is a lot of duplicates in this data set, but I'm just going to add some, so it will be very obvious that some duplicate has been removed. So, to insert a new row, you hold the Control Shift plus. So I'm just going to copy this thing down. And I'm going to do somewhere else. So I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates from a data set. So I just created this. Let me even bold them so it will be very obvious to you. I don't have time to check other if that I just want the one you can see that has been removed. So I'm just going to bold them. So if you want to remove duplicates, let's assume you're in the home tab here. If you want to remove duplicates, you go all the way to your data tab. You can see click the remove duplicates, and it's except automatically it's going to select all your columns for you. So in case if you want to check your columns, everything, you leave all these things checked. If you just want to, if you want to, if it's in names, you want to like check if there are duplicates, you can just unselect the rest, then just leave the name. But in this example, I'm just going to leave everything because I want every. No, no. Let me do what I said. Let me just remove. So I just want to check for duplicates in my. I'm just going to look for duplicates in this my name column. Yeah, and my data has headers. So you can see 65 duplicates found and removed. 241 unique values remained. So you can see it's removed duplicates. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and also share. And if you want to encourage me to keep bringing out more contents like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.